Hey, Troy Miner here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking to you today about the brand new Power Lead System 2025 AI funnel and the AI software that they have connected to the Power Lead System. So I encourage you to watch this video through to the end because you are hearing from somebody that's been a Power Lead System member for practically a decade. And I will say, I do not believe, and these are just my personal opinions, I do not believe that this new AI system and funnel is for everyone. Matter of fact, I will tell you, in my honest opinion, it's not for most people. So watch this video through to the end so that I can further explain. Now, let me say this. I am a true believer in PLS, right? I mean, I learned so much as a customer, as an affiliate, using the Power Lead system, and some of the things that it's taught me that I've learned very, very well is how to create marketing funnels, lead capture pages, sales presentation videos, email campaigns, So there's a lot of good inside of the Power Lead system, and I'm very, very thankful for that. And I still use the system. However, with this new AI software, and you're looking at the sales video page right now, with this new funnel, the problems that I see is in order for you to take advantage of this, right? If you're a Power Lead System member, in order for you to benefit from the things that you're getting ready to see, you have to participate in the co-op traffic, which in essence is just strictly for PLS members that are buying this traffic on a regular, consistent basis. The minimum required is $100 currently for 100 clicks, up to $1,000 for 1,000 clicks currently. Now, where are these clicks coming from? These clicks are coming from solo ad vendors. And if you know anything about paying for solo ads, you know that 25 to maybe 30% is like a sweet spot as far as the averages of people that actually opt into your system. So you're placed on a rotator, and as the leads come in, they're redirected to your system, your funnel. So there's another thing that was mentioned in a webinar recently where they were saying, okay, if you don't have the funds, if you have good credit, there is financing available. Personally, I would not do something like that simply because of the fact that you have no idea how this is going to work out. And the people that buy the most clicks through the co-op are going to benefit the most and be showcased the most. So those people that are willing to invest $1,000 for 1,000 clicks, they're going to get VIP status as far as the website traffic that comes in. Only read this if you want more income in your life and might be ready for something new. Revolutionary breakthrough AI agents make money for you. Click the play button to learn more, right? You're going to see there's a 5-minute video that's in here, a little over 5 minutes, so you could watch that video. And then as you scroll down the video sales page, you have this information to read, right? So it's very interesting, and I'm sure it'll get more eyeballs to take a look at what this has to offer. Here's a professional comment relating to AI, the possibilities, how they're limitless, right? All this stuff is in here, and this will help you avoid cold calling, social media hustling, paid ads, right? Which is not really true, because you're paying to get this traffic if you want to use this AI. And The AI does things like follows up with your leads. People can call if they have questions. So there's a lot of things about this. Now, the compensation plan. All right, PLS went back to its original compensation plan after about a year of introducing something different. And I think the reason that it went back to the original comp plan is just simply because uh, you get paid more upfront commissions. And with this optional co-op for just $100, again, that's minimum, you get real-time high-quality clicks sent directly to your enrollment page. You can even buy more clicks if you can afford it. The AI agent engages those leads immediately. So here's what's going on, right? And it says, please note, our AI only follows up with leads generated from the co-op capture page. You can still promote our product with a duplicated funnel without using the AI system and earn sales commission. So that was exactly my point in what I was talking about. Here are several different ways that you can earn, right? Because PLS has products in addition to the $54 a month usage and affiliate fee, right? So you can earn $20 monthly residual commissions. You can earn on the upsells 100, 400, and 1500 commissions, right? Again, these are on the upsells or premium sales. And then you can get a 50% matching bonus on every $20 residual commission you refer. Now, and here's somebody that I know, highly successful affiliate marketer, great individual, my personal opinion, put me down for $1,000 per week, right? So I don't think that a lot of people are going to be able to afford $1,000 a week. I don't believe that a lot of people are going to be able to consistently afford $100 a week, especially if you understand when people opt in. First of all, the products in PLS have not changed. When people opt in to your funnel, let's say you're placed on the rotator, they see it and they opt in. These individuals, they're still going to get that 7-day free trial that PLS offers, and then they're going to end up paying $54 a month. Now, let's not forget, one of the upsells is known as Lead Generation Academy, which is the live weekly webinars, which will be an additional $100 a month. And you don't have to pay these things during the extended free period for those that go all in. Now, what does go all in mean? Go all in means, you'll save money from having to purchase each individual product, but you're also going to end up having to pay at least $1,500 to be able to go all in. And I think it's more than that. I do believe it's more than that, but let's say it's not. The average person does not have $1,500 to invest in a product that is offering people a 7-day free trial. And if you've ever been in the Power Lead system before as a customer, as an affiliate, you know the way it's set up, the majority of people that join quit before their 7-day trial ends, right? I mean, that's just a fact. I can personally attest to it. So, yeah, you'll get a bunch of signups in the beginning, but first of all, most of them are not going to come in and get the $1,500 product. And most of them are not going to come in and continue paying the co-op traffic $100 to $1,000, knowing that the commissions that they're going to end up earning will be very, very small, right? If people come in, at the very least, they might join at the first level, right, where you become a customer and an affiliate for $54. But that's not really offsetting the investment, right? $54 is not offsetting $100 or $1,000 that you're investing into the traffic. So the AI's name is David. Meet David. He's not human. He's better. And as I said, I think this is a great product, and I see the benefits. I see that the creators of the Power Lead system put a lot of time and energy into this. I see that, but it's really not for everyone, and majority of people are the same people that were joining Power Lead system before. These are people that don't have massive or huge budgets. So I see a small percentage of people, and I could be wrong, but I see a small percentage of people actually buying traffic through the co-op every week and being able to go all in for $1,500, right? And let's not even talk about having to finance this if you can't afford it, right? So what is the alternative? How am I using AI, and what is it that I recommend if you're trying to save money and you're on a budget? So here is a safe bet. 95% of the people that I know that are in network marketing, direct selling, affiliate marketing use social media. Social media is free. Social media allows people to, connect with and build relationships with thousands and tens of thousands of people on a regular, consistent basis. It is by far the most valued way to generate traffic, generate leads, and to make sales. But what if there was an AI system, brand new, just recently introduced to the market, an AI system that allowed you, from taking a simple screenshot, right? A social media profile screenshot. So from like here to like here, if it allowed you to take a social media screenshot from any social media site, regardless if you are friends with that individual, regardless if you are connected to them in any way, you don't have to be. And again, this would work on any social media site. What if you could do that and then the following happened? So I just uploaded the screenshot in here, and now I'm getting ready to upload it as an actual lead. So I'm going to add this contact to the social to lead system, which is the brand new product that I'm talking about. Social to lead, I'm going to go ahead and, after taking the screenshot, just upload the image, and look at what happens. Now, just so you know, Social to Lead is the brand new product inside of the Nowsite Navigator family. And if you're not familiar with what Nowsite Navigator is, I'm sharing with you just some of what this can do. I've been a member of Nowsite for almost 3 years now. I love the products. I love the program. And for those of you that were introduced to this once before, or maybe you've heard of it before, since the inception of AI, I want to say about a year and a half ago, maybe, this thing has been high level, top notch, addresses everything that I need. But in this demo, right? So the individual who I took a screenshot of, I know her to be a high level marketer, very successful. I believe she is a 7-figure income earner. I know for sure her circle of influence is very huge. And here's what happened. It took about a minute for the system to upload an actual analytical profile report on that individual. So the unique thing about this, right, I'm going to come over here. Let's say I had a particular business in mind that I wanted to share with Nicole, right? I would just click whatever it was, and then I'm going to turn the nav on. I'm going to turn this tool on, right, so that it will know and understand the relationship that I want to develop and have with this lead and with the opportunity that I want to share for it. But as soon as this uploads, I'm going to show you something really, really crazy inside of this analytical report. Right? Should just take another couple of seconds. All right, here we go. So check this out. It has Nicole's social media sites in there, right? Whatever sites it is that she's accustomed to having. And then look over here, the highlights. Nicole is a digital creator and the CEO of Nicole S. Cooper, business coach and consultant. She resides in Austin, Texas, USA, specifically in Round Rock. Born in 1977, Nicole is a wife, a mother of two, an entrepreneur, a business coach. Now you tell me, would you rather connect with people that are high-level marketers with heavy influences, or would you rather rely just, and I don't knock solo ads, but would you rather rely on solo ads where the majority of people that are opting into your marketing funnels are tire kickers and time wasters, and you need to go through a lot of leads in order to find those people that, are going to take your opportunity seriously? Which one makes more sense? Now, some other things that are pointed out from the analytical AI profile. This shows you how to go about setting up a meeting. This shows you what are the stressors this individual does not like. What are their energizers, right? When speaking to them, what are some of Nicole's energizers? Nicole is most motivated by ambitious goals, taking charge, making quick decisions, right? When meeting with Nicole, prepare for pushback, quickly address the purpose of the meeting, make an effort to meet their goals. And I'm just going to share one other thing with you, and then I'm going to highlight something. So at the very top of the profile under personality, look at this. Persuasive, independent, determined, tends to be direct, task-focused, fast-paced, and resistant to rigid structures. How cool is it to be able to get a personality report on someone that you are interested in sharing your business with? Behavior. Get to the point of the conversation. Don't tiptoe around the sale. Rather, be direct with your pitch and explain how she will see measurable results with your product. Understand, each person that you upload into the social to lead system, each individual, the responses are really customized towards that individual's personality and what the AI has searched to be their typical behavior. How is it getting this information? It's pulling this information in off of other social media sites, but more importantly, it's pulling an analytical report off of major internet search engines. So you've got a combination of a whole lot of things that are going on. But I'm going to point one other thing out to you that should be very, very exciting. Watch this. So not only did I get a full analytical report on Nicole, but I also told the Nav, right? So the Nav is highly, highly intuitive. It interacts with each conversation from the point of just a prospect through the entire messaging, follow-up, chatting system, all the way up to the point of close. So look at what I told the system. I told the Nav, Nicole and I have never had a conversation. We only have friends in common on social media. She is a highly skilled, experienced marketer, and I'm a bit intimidated to reach out to her. Can you suggest a message to send her? Now, this, I believe, would be the typical type of initial interaction that most people would have, right? Most people do not look to qualify individuals that are extremely good when it comes to business and marketing. So I'm telling the system, look, I'm a little apprehensive about reaching out to her. Can you suggest a message? And look at what the system came up with. Here's a suggested message. Hi, Nicole. I hope this message finds you well. We've got some mutual friends in common, and I've heard great things about your expertise in marketing. Your skills and experience are truly impressive, and I'd love the opportunity to connect and learn more about your journey. If you're open to it, I'd be thrilled to share some insights and ideas as well. Looking forward to connecting. Best, and then obviously my name. So it goes a step further. So I just basically told the system, hey, I've sent the message. Can you update my sales plan? Right? So here's the response from the nav. I've updated Nicole's sales plan to reflect the message you sent. The next step is to engage with her social media posts to establish rapport by January 28th. Keep building those connections. So it's giving me a task to complete over the course of the next 3 days. Again, this thing takes you from the point of prospecting all the way through the point of making the sale. And in my honest opinion, you know, the product currently, at the time of me shooting this video, there's a massive discount going on. You can get this system for 20 bucks, $20 currently. The normal investment is just 100 bucks. So even if you paid full price after the promotion is after it's over, $100 to tap into the best prospects, the best leads, have real conversations, have an intuitive system that tells you what to ask, how to respond, follows each step of the way, and implements a customized sales plan for every person that you decide to upload into the system. I'd rather pay 20 bucks or 100 bucks for a system like that, and this is just my opinion, rather than paying $100 for a co-op traffic to get 100 clicks, or $1,000 for co-op traffic to get 1,000 clicks. So what does this really come down to? It really comes down to you. Look, if you want to learn more about the social to lead system, you can go to my channel right now. Go to my channel, and as you click on the links that are in my channel, just scroll down to where you see Nowsite Nav. Click on that link. It's going to take you to my main link where you're going to get actual more information, a more detailed demonstration, and it'll talk about the power of this program. You have a choice. I'm not knocking the Power Lead system. I told you I am still a member, but not everyone's going to be able to afford that. Not everyone's going to be able to go in at 1,500 or 2,000 bucks or whatever the total fee is, plus buy weekly traffic. Although I am a huge fan of the AI software that they created, I see it as being highly useful. But for those individuals that, they're already on social media, they're already trying to connect with people, just imagine on an unlimited basis being able to target and qualify your lead. So if this video made sense to you, you got some value from it, shoot me over a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Go to my channel now, click the links, scroll down, Nowsite Nav, so that you can get access to my actual funnel. Thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, I'm Troy. I look forward to working with many of you. I hope you have an outstanding day, and I welcome your comments. Take care.